How to avoid too much influence of people around us in our investment decisions. Financial expert Ms. Amrita will explain this now.
So let me ask you a question. How to avoid herd instincts? How will you avoid herd mentality or herding bias? Asking questions in terms of how and why people are taking certain actions. Option 2, DYR, do your own research, study and understand the facts yourself, seek professional guidance. Option 3, when distracted, delay taking decisions. Option B, be courageous. Don't be afraid to stand out from the crowd. Let's not have the Pied Piper effect, right? And option 5, as you have tremendous respect for the group that you are following on various social media platforms, you can take 90% of their opinion, balance 10% you can ignore.
Thanks for your detailed explanation. Are you in search of a personal guide who can remove the stress of handling your finances? Then please feel free to avail our expert consultation. And also you can attend our webinars to gain investment related insights. Both the consultation and webinar are absolutely free and you can find the link in the below description. Please like and share and do subscribe to Holistic Investment.